Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 111 Melton Road. This is a 2-bedroom and terrace property. And then moving inside, and we have the first reception room here. Lovely bay window facing towards the front aspect. We also have a useful built-in understairs storage cupboard just here on the left hand side, and then a nice door here with stained glass panels leading through to the second reception room. And then from here we have a window overlooking the rear garden. And we also have a door in the corner which leads to the stairs. And coming through to the kitchen. Which has windows to the side and also to the rear, overlooking the garden. And then we've got a door to the side. Okay, then just moving up onto the first floor where we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So first bedroom here at the front of the property, which also has a built-in overstairs storage cupboard. And then around to bedroom 2. Which is also a nice size room. We also have the loft access point in this room with pull down ladder. And then around to the bathroom where we have wash basin, WC, and bath with shower above. Okay, so just moving outside into the rear garden, really nicely planted here, and we have a passageway going through. Just towards the end here, where there's also a shed in the corner, and then looking back at the property. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.